Hello friends, welcome to Just For You channel. Today in top 5 product listing video, I discuss about list of 5 best portable USB electric battery powered juicer. Those are very useful and in your budget. In this video, I also discuss those features and specifications. So let's talk about it. Number 1. TruTrades Portable Electric Juicer. TruTrades Portable Electric Juicer comes with blender drink bottle and a 380 ml juicer cup. Its portable design is very stylish that can help easy to carry and store. It also builds with food grade material, means it is safe, harmless, non-toxic, odorless and eco-friendly. This product also comes with stainless steel blades. It is very user-friendly, just one key operation. It also comes with rechargeable 2000 mAh power bank which is convenient to use. So this product is very comfortable for effortless and time saving. Number 2. NH-Mart Blender. NH-Mart Portable USB Electric Blender comes with multicolor plastic body and built-in stainless steel blades. This product also comes with electromagnetic induction safety switch, means when the body is separated from the base, the power will automatically turn off. So it is very convenient to use. It has one key operation. This product is very useful because of its multi-purpose bottle blender with 380 ml capacity. So it is very comfortable, effortless and time saving. Number 3. GTC Portable USB Juicer Blender. GTC Portable USB Juicer Blender comes with very stylish body with 380 ml bottle. It also comes with 2000 mAh rechargeable power bank with a USB cable. It is ideal for home, sports field, travel, office and days out. This product is very comfortable for your modern family because it can quickly blend a variety of vegetables and fruits to make juice, milkshake or any shake and drinks. It is also used as a power bank to charge mobile, wireless headphone, USB light, fan, cooler, etc. This product is easy to dismantle and simply rinse under one tap water. Number 4. Delcrox Multifunction 380 ml Mini USB Electric Fruit Juicer. This juicer is portable and so easy to carry anywhere like campaigning, traveling, etc. It comes with detachable chopping cup with leakage-proof lid. This juicer is perfect for making juices, cocktails, coffees, teas, protein shake, baby formula and many more. But you cannot get heavy performance like any other electric juicer because it is small and battery powered. It also comes with a USB charging cord. Number 5. EasyLife USB Perennial Portable Juicer. EasyLife USB Juicer is very portable and comes with 380 ml capacity. It is also rechargeable for juice mixer and great for traveling or outdoor campaigning. It is not only for making a protein shake but also can mix all kinds of fruits and vegetables. This USB juicer cup can be easily charged by power bank, laptop, computer, mobile phones and other USB devices. This juice extractor is made of eco-friendly and food-grade non-toxic PP and ABS materials. It is very useful and handy. If you want to know the product prices, please check in my video description below. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please thumbs up below. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on notification bell. Get upcoming video notification in your mailbox. Feel free to comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.